Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. There could be a little bit of fog forming through the night, which could stick around on Tuesday morning. It may take a while to clear. For most of England and Wales, certainly it'll be a dry day. There will be some rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland. And here it's also going to be a pretty windy Tuesday too. That's because areas of low pressure are gathering up to the northwest, squeezing the isobars together. But high pressure is dominating across the south, and that is actually squeezing the life out of this weakening weather front that's been slowly spreading southwards. It has been bringing some wet weather over northern England and Wales, continuing to fizzle out, but some rain and drizzle over mid Wales, South Wales and the Midlands through the evening, and perhaps across parts of Devon and Cornwall too. But for most it's dry until we see further outbreaks of rain coming into the northwest. It will be a very windy night across the northwest as well, with gales in places, but further south the winds are light, which means where we see some breaks in the cloud, we could easily see some mist and fog patches, parts of the South Midlands, South East England and East Anglia in particular, which could be quite dense, certainly for Tuesday morning. It will be a fairly chilly night across the south as well. Temperatures where we keep clear skies well down into single figures, but pretty mild with the winds picking up across the northern and the western Isles, likely to be the mildest spot as we start Tuesday. But it's also going to be fairly soggy here, outbreaks of rain and that wet weather pepping up all along the west coast of Scotland during the morning. Otherwise, a mostly dry start. Could take a few hours for that fog to clear. And bar the odd light shower, most of England and Wales will be dry through the day. We will see a zone of rain pushing across Northern Ireland, central and southern Scotland, and that's likely to be followed by a fairly intense band of heavy showers. It won't last too long, but it could be pretty lively as that moves through, accompanied by blustery conditions as well. It will be a fairly windy day across the north, and that will have an impact on the feel. Temperatures, though, still generally a little bit above average, and certainly in the south we could again get into the teens, particularly if we see some brightness coming through. That area of rain will trickle south and again fizzle out across northern England and the Midlands. Showers will keep going on Tuesday night across the north, and they'll have a wintry flavour across the tops of the mountains in Scotland. Nothing unusual about that, of course, but we haven't seen much of it so far this autumn. And those wintry showers over the mountains will turn back to rain pretty rapidly through the day. We will see a few showers for southern Scotland, and later on a bit more patchy rain pushes into Northern Ireland. But again, bar the odd shower over northwest England, North Wales, most of England and Wales. Dry on Wednesday, and it's actually, for many, a bright day as well with some sunshine once any morning mist and fog has cleared. It will be a little breezier though, and a little cooler. Temperatures, though, still close to average for the time of year, 10 or 11 Celsius, generally covering. Staying pretty mild throughout this week, in fact, with not much rain at all across the south, but often fairly windy, particularly in the north. A full week ahead video is available on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe.